Hey guys, we're going to be showing the horses and the animals today. We told you would do that in the last video, so I guess we're going to go. Let's go. So this horse is Dylan. And over there, that's Max. Becca. And then Kasha. And Morty. And that one, that's a baby, and his name is Klaus. Raina is in here. And then, Elsa, or Anna, and Dylan. That's a fly mask to keep the flies away. It's not anything bad. And then Remy and Mickey and Stormy, Paula, Twizzle, Bella, and Eve. And now we're going to stop this video and we'll be back with more. Bye. Bye guys. Peace.